Hey everyone, welcome to my latest project, creating a copper sculpture of a female figure. This is a completely new experience for me because it's my first time welding copper, and to make things even more challenging, I'm working just with 0.6 millimeter thick sheets. It was definitely not an easy task, but I learned a lot along the way. I started by marking and cutting raw copper sheets and making out of the different parts of the sculpture. To make the material a bit sturdier, I initially tried folding the edges, thinking it would add thickness and strength, but as I soon discovered, this approach didn't work as expected. Instead of improving the structure, it just made the welding process much harder. So I had to scrap that idea and unfortunately throw away the legs I had already started. After struggling for a while, I realized that my welder actually has a pulse option. This was a game changer. With the pulse welding, I could control the heat better and avoid burning throughout thin copper sheets. It made a huge difference, and from that point on, welding became much more manageable. Once the sculpture was complete, I wanted to give it a solid and elegant base. I decided to use travertine stone, but finding the right piece was quite a challenge. After searching for the perfect fit, I finally got one that matched the sculpture aesthetics. Drilling holes into the stone was another tough part. In the end, this project turned out to be a real challenge, but it was totally worth it. I gained a lot of experience working with the copper, learned how to adjust my welding technique, and found a new way to improve my craft. Since this is just a hobby to me, and I work full time in IT, it took me almost a month to complete, but seeing the final result made all the effort worthwhile. If you enjoy watching my journey, don't forget to leave a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more projects like this. Thank you for watching. You'll see you in the next one.